In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use JavaScript in N8N with the code node. This lets you customize your workflows by transforming data, performing calculations, and creating logic that isn't available through standard nodes. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger node so you can easily test your workflow during development. Next, add a code node and connect it to the manual trigger. Open the code node and choose whether your script should run once for all items or once for each individual item, depending on your workflow. Now you can begin writing JavaScript. The code node provides access to incoming workflow data through the input object, allowing you to read values from previous nodes and process them however you need. For example, you could write a simple script to convert text to uppercase JavaScript return input all Mapatum JSON text item JSON text uppercase. Click execute step to run your code. The output panel will display the process data so you can verify that your script works correctly. If needed, edit your JavaScript and test again until you get the desired results. The code node is useful for formatting data, filtering records, performing calculations, and handling custom business logic. Once your script is working, connect the code node to the next step in your workflow, such as Google Sheets, an HTTP request, or an AI agent, to continue processing the data. And that's how to use JavaScript in N8N at a code node. Write your custom logic, test the output, and integrate it into your automation workflow.